I'm sure many of you have already been reminded that winter's not too far down the road. The time to start preparing is now. No one needs to get caught off guard by anything this winter brings our way. As part of the Pacific Northwest Winter Weather Awareness Week this year, we'll spend a little time each day doing just that. Tomorrow's subject is about you staying safe this winter, including what to put in your emergency kits. We'll also talk about black ice and what can happen when it gets really cold in the dead of winter. On Tuesday, we'll look at what we mean by a watch, warning, or an advisory. The National Weather Service understands that for many, these terms and all the different types can be confusing, and we want to make sure you're clear on that subject. Wednesday's topic will be the many faces of winter storms, all the way from a typical winter storm to a big old blizzard. We'll also talk a bit about avalanches. Winter doesn't necessarily trigger thoughts of flooding, but they can and do happen. Thursday's discussion will include ice jams and other types of wintertime floods. Winter winds aren't necessarily associated with blizzards either. Sometimes the weather will be dry, but we get high winds that do produce quite a bit of damage. We also see impacts associated with blowing dust, spray, and even sand. That's on tap for Friday. We will present the week in review on Saturday and recap everything we've talked about earlier this week so you are prepared for the upcoming winter.